Today we're excited to announce our initial list of award-winning vehicles for 2026. We have a total of 63 vehicles on the list this year. 45 of those received our Top Safety Pick Plus award, and another 18 received our Top Safety Pick award. To receive a Top Safety Pick award, a vehicle must achieve a good rating in our side crash test, our small overlap front crash test, and our updated moderate overlap front crash test. A vehicle must also receive a good or acceptable rating in our pedestrian front crash prevention test, and that technology must be available on all trim levels. All trim levels must also have good or acceptable rated headlights. For the Top Safety Pick Plus award, we're emphasizing improved collision avoidance technology. A vehicle must receive a good rating in our pedestrian front crash prevention test, as well as a good or acceptable rating in our updated vehicle-to-vehicle crash prevention evaluation. This test is pushing for better technology that can help prevent crashes with passenger vehicles, large trucks, and motorcycles. Consumers looking to make a purchase can use this list to shop for safe vehicles with the latest technology to help avoid a crash and state-of-the-art occupant protection should a crash occur. There are sedans, pickups, and SUVs in a range of sizes and at a range of price points. There are also traditional gas options as well as electric options. There's a lot of discussion about the cost of a new vehicle these days with an average price of $50,000. The good news for consumers is you do not have to spend that much money to get a safe vehicle. More than a dozen Top Safety Pick Plus vehicles start at under $30,000. Safety does not have to be sacrificed for price.